everyone, I am Moin from the Technology Valley. We are the distributor of the Quiko brand in the UAE. Today I will show to you how to program our new control board QK-CE2204 Universal. So this control brand you can use for sliding door, you can use for double sliding door, and you can also use for the swing door. Today I will show to you how to the programming. Okay, first I am showing to you connection of the sensor, push button and flashlight. First I show you for the flashlight 11 and 12 for flashlight. Then come for the push button. Push button will be 8 and 1. 8 and 1 will be push button. Now come for the sensor, common and NC. Sensor common will be 8 and sensor NC will be 3, and sensor plus will be 8 and sensor minus will be 10. Okay, after all connection we have to check what is the position of the controller. There is the 3 category, one for sliding, single sliding, another for double sliding, another for swing. Okay, you can see the port. This is for motor A, this is for motor B, this is for electrical connection. Okay, now we see the position of the controller. We press here. See, when I come to the DT, there is showing H5. It means is for sliding. Okay, then we manual the motor, and put the gate closing position, full closing position. Okay, one closing position will lock the motor. Okay, after full close we will press here. Okay, we need H5. Okay, when see now the closing position it's showing H5. Okay, now we press the it connect the limit switch. Now you press. Push. You see position is close, FC is showing FC. Okay, then we press. So light is blinking and gate is opening. Okay, suppose okay, see our start the opening position. Now the door is full open. The gate will again closing. Okay, suppose this position you need slow down. Okay, so what you do, from the 30 cm, just 30 cm, we press again. Okay, okay, now the closing limit switch have done. The program is okay, done. Okay, see we active 3 second automatic close. After open it will automatically close. If you need automatic close, you have to press the remote button or push button. It will be active the automatic close. If you no need, then no need to press the push button and no need to press the any remote. Okay, Gate closing have done. Okay, pause. If you want to program the remote, so what we have to do, we have to see this is R, position R. Then you press R1. If R1, then we okay. Then we want to program 4. We just press okay. The remote program have done.